Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to share with you my Vogue Issey Miyake pattern collection. Before we get started, I want to welcome you to my channel, Sharon. And if you have not subscribed, why don't you subscribe right now so that you don't miss future videos. So as I was saying, I'm going to share with you my Vogue Issey Miyake pattern collection. I have collected 48 over the years. There are a lot more designs out there. I just don't own them all. And I'm going to share with you today the ones from the 1980s. I have 11 of those from the 1980s. Now, I'm definitely not an expert on Issey Miyake, his designs, or the collaboration with Vogue patterns. I just know that the patterns that I've seen in the pattern books over the years and the ones that I've seen online, I just really like them. And I think a lot of you do too. The designs are very unique. The construction techniques are really fun to do if you've ever sewn one of his patterns. And I just want to share with you what I have. The other reason I'm sharing is one of my 2020 sewing goals is to sew at least 4 of the designs from my pattern collection this year. A lot of these Issey Miyake patterns that I found, especially the 80s and early 90s, I found them on eBay, I found them on Etsy, I found them in thrift shops. I did not pay more than $20 for any of them. As much as I love the design, I just cannot justify paying more than $20 for a pattern. And have you looked on eBay how expensive many of these go for? I don't know if they actually sell for that or not, but they go for a lot of money. So keep your eyes open. If you like the designs, you never know when you might stumble across one. I haven't found any in quite a while. I think people now see the value of them. But the other thing I want to mention, as this is one of my 2020 sewing goals, is to sew 4 of these designs. Let me know if there's one that you think I should make this year. And I also want to know, when I'm sharing these with you, are there any of them that you have sewn over the years? Now, in terms of dating the 1980 ones, the early ones that I have 3 of them that don't have a date printed on the back of them. I have this old Vogue Patterns counter book from 1983. I looked in there and I did not see any Issey Miyake designs, so I'm guessing they started in 1984. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I think. So I will also put a image of each pattern up on the screen for you so that you can get a closer look of the pattern envelope. The first one in my collection is Vogue 1257. There's no date on the back of the envelope, so I'm guessing from 1984. The next one in my collection, Vogue 1476. Again, no date on the back of it, so I'm guessing 1984. Vogue 1384, there's no date on the back of it, but whoever had owned it previously wrote 384 on the cover, so I'm guessing 1984. Now we're getting into the ones that do have a date marked on them. Vogue 1599, this is from 1985. Vogue 1782, and this is from 1986. Vogue 1854 from 1987. Vogue 1893 from 1987. I have sewn this one. I sewed it to test the fit. I sewed it in fabric that I don't really care for, which is why I haven't shared it. And I am going to sew it again this spring. Vogue 1869, and this is from 1987. Vogue 2164, and this is from 1988. Vogue 2056, and this is from 1988. Vogue 2352 from 1989. I hope you enjoyed seeing my 1980 pattern collection of Issey Miyake designs from Vogue Patterns. Stay tuned because those are the ones that I have from 1990. Thank you for being here. Again, If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I will see you real soon. Happy sewing.